Hi everyone, we're going to be using the TextBox form control. It's very similar to the label. The primary property that you will access will be the text property. So let's go ahead and drag it out of our toolbox. I'm going to extend it a bit. And let's name it Input TextBox. Let's double click on our button to create a click event. And what we want to do is we want to extract, the value found in the text box and store it in a variable. So let's name it data. Let's do input text box and text. So anything that the user types inside the text box is stored in the text property, and it's always gonna be a string. Let's do a message show data. Okay, let's take a look. Let's type hello, I am crazy. Submit. Hello, I'm crazy. What if we typed in a number? What would happen? Submit. And there you go. It works. The reason why a number works and we don't need to convert it is because the value found in the text box, like I said, is always a string. It's automatically converted into string. So if we wanted to do some calculations like 15 and then hit submit and add another 15 to it, we'd actually have to convert this string into an integer. And that's how you use the text box.